Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can restore deleted playlists on Spotify. So if you accidentally deleted your playlist, you want to go to right top corner and then click account. You'll be automatically redirected, let me show you, to your account profile. And when you're gonna be here, you're gonna see under privacy settings, you can see recover playlist, right? And right here, I'm gonna see, okay, accidentally deleted the playlist, no worries, find the deleted playlist you'd like to recover below, then click restore to recover it. Click restore, and voila, this is how you do it. Pretty simple, pretty easy, nothing hard to do. So this is how you can recover playlists on Spotify. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. So to repeat it, you are in a Spotify account on PC, go to right top corner, then you're gonna see account here. You are in account. Now here, click recover playlists and then click restore. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.